What's up there, YouTubers? Today we're going to be troubleshooting an AC issue with this 2005 Mercedes C230, and we're also going to be performing a recharge of the AC system with AC Pro's Ultra Synthetic AC Recharge Kit. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so we're currently experiencing an AC issue in this 0405 Mercedes C230 Sports Sedan. The AC unit has this hissing sound in it as soon as you start the vehicle up, and it's pretty pronounced once I turn the key on, which I'll demonstrate in a few minutes. But after further review and researching, a lot of people are pointing to the fact that the AC needs recharging. Now, once I click this key, and if you're experiencing the same issue, if this is the sound that you are hearing, it is most likely going to be your AC that needs recharging. So let's, without further ado, let's go ahead and demonstrate the sound that we're experiencing here. Okay, so with the AC slightly on, guys, we're hearing this sound. And this sound comes in sporadically, whether you're driving or you're parked at a standstill. But this is the AC generator kicking on, and when it kicks on, we actually hear some type of grinding sound, and here it comes. And then it will cut out. If you're experiencing this issue, most likely it's going to be your AC unit needs recharging, and that's where the AC Pro's Ultra Synthetic AC Recharge Kit comes into play. Okay guys, this kit was purchased off of Amazon for $30, and let me tell you, that is a steal. This kit usually sells or retails for $50 to $60 in your local automotive store. I happen to know this because I went and checked myself at my local O'Reilly's. This is the 20-ounce fluid can, and it is the most expensive, and I still was able to grab it off of Amazon for $30. I'll put the link to that in the descriptions below if you're interested in purchasing it yourself. Now, before we begin, I'd like to mention that the video for this can be actually found on AC Pro's website, the complete installation. But today I'm just going to be performing this service myself and recording it for you guys.